Hi there, just want to quickly introduce you guys to a tool that I'm using. It's called Phoenix from Arize. It's a LLM observational tool that really helps you to understand what prompts are coming in, what prompts are coming out. I've got a agent called site reliability engineer that is automating layer 2 tasks. So if a data center comes to me that doesn't have a DevOps, then they will normally request me to fix some issues for them, especially those that are running on Vast.ai or RunPod, where they themselves don't necessarily want to appoint a full DevOps team. So they would contact me, and I have automated that process. This tool, this agent, is got the capability to dig into Linux servers with RAG knowledge that is able to pull on for solving some obvious issues. We support no longer needs humans involved, so I've created this little bot. A lot of other guys use Claude Code for this, but not everybody is comfortable using Claude Code or Core or any one of those agentic tools. So this basically just wraps it. So here we go. It's there's two options for them. They can install it. They give it access via SSH or install the agent. I've installed the agent, and what I'm going to do is there is a problem with the server. This server, obviously I deliberately broke it, has got broken drivers. Okay, can't install drivers. NVIDIA not working. Fix it and get it to latest drivers. Here we go. It will now kick off and will give you a nice feed. I've obviously tested this before. The beautiful part about this is that you can get this nice little live feed. But the tool, is not the one that I want to focus on. I want to talk about is Phoenix Arize. It's observation tool, and so you guys can see the live feed coming right in. So there is the comments from the LLM that's digging in, and on the left hand side you would see the dashboard for Phoenix and all the prompts being sent. So it's got sending each of those prompts, the inputs. You can see the system prompt. You can then go down to the user space prompt. That is typically what you would see on from the agent itself. There's a lot of information here, so you can see this feed running in. It's a bit of a delay, but that's normal. You get some great information like latency and the cost. So you can investigate each of them. One of the key things that this tool was very useful for is to understand the inputs and the outputs and improve prompt injection. Something that I haven't even touched on is the automated evaluation and the data sets. So there's a lot behind this tool. I haven't even come close to what it can do. I've got a good amount of integration. I'm using light LLM, which means I can run local models or have a fallback to Anthropic. So for me, it's agnostic, but all the tools allow them to integrate very well with all the major LLM providers. Yes, one of the big integrations is the MPC server that you can integrate with Claude Code. Just want to test if it's out online. Yes, there we go. So so the tool is sitting. I've asked it now to go look at the span for the last interaction to come back with an iterated list like a journal to really understand what all the prompts were. And this helps me process a lot of data very fast. And this agent integration is really a game changer because now all of a sudden you're looking at your code, you're processing your code, and you're looking at how it's running on with the LLM input output, and this is really allowing you to optimize your programs very efficiently. Look, guys, if there's anything you want to know more about this, please reach out. This has been a crash course. I really enjoyed it. Hope you did as well. Bye.